Hi, my name is MAHVEEN NABILA. I come from Hyderabad, Telangana. I have recently completed my B.TECH from Shadan College of Engineering and Technology in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering. I joined PYSpiders in the month of March 2026. I took Java full stack development course and my trainers were Sir and Raghavendra sir for Java, and for SQL Sriharsha sir and Rajat sir, and for web technologies Geeta ma'am, and for manual testing Manav sir. They all helped me clear my doubts and they helped me gain confidence in the subject, and they are very knowledgeable and they helped me a lot in getting more confident in this subject, and they conducted more mock interviews and grooming sessions and placement talks. So they all helped me getting more confident in the interviews. So I got placed, and thank you PYSpiders for giving me this opportunity.